Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Few hours back we were able to see the invitation for NEET PG 2022 examination were floating, and information bulletin was also floating over Telegram and WhatsApp group and social media platforms, but now it's available officially. I'm telling you that it's available on netboard.edu.in. You can visit the site and you can see in the notice section, application invited for national eligibility cum entrance test, that is NEET PG for postgraduate 2022, and it's the latest update. And let me open it, so you will be able to download, and then you can see they have published the schedule, and so here you can see NB notice as on 15th of Jan, application invited for NEET PG 2022 registration. So right now we are in the full-fledged the counseling process going on for MCC and all the state counseling for private colleges and state quota government colleges. So candidates are busy in registration and choice filling, and they will be busy in that process for next 1.5 months. Meanwhile, you have the registration open for NEET PG 2022, and the examination, as it was communicated earlier in the calendar as per NB, is going to happen on 12th of March only as per the notification. And you can download the information bulletin, and as per the information bulletin, the application will be available for you in order to submit the application for the NEET PG 2022 examination starting from today, that is 15th of Jan until 4th of February 2022. Okay, so availability of the information bulletin 15th of January, online submission of the application form 15th January to 4th of February, and date of examination on 12th March. Result will be declared by 31st of March. So it's official now, and you have to do the registration application form filling for next examination at the same time, because there will be other dates, important dates. I will be discussing about the information bulletin in detail in next videos. Okay, for now I'm making you aware that it's official news that information bulletin is published, and registration application is available from today 3 p.m. onwards. You can do the application form submission for your NEET PG 2022 examination. So those candidates whose score was not sufficient and they are not satisfied with the 2021 score, or those candidates who already started the preparation and in the midway of preparation, they should speed up the preparation. And since their examination date is on 12th of March, the application is also invited. You can submit the application form. So this is the time you have to gear up your preparation and all your decision whether you want to take seat from this counseling or next counseling, and how much improvement you can do, because for the next 2022 the competition will be piling up, means it will be getting tougher, since fresh batch candidates will be there, and the candidates from 2021 will move towards 2022. Since the examination is nearby, they will try to put their best effort in few months. Hardly 3 months time you have in the until examination, and in this time frame of 3 months they will try to put their maximum effort so that they can get best possible result, and can plan to do the counseling and admission process on that score. Because from 2023 the platform and the pattern of the examination is going to be changed, and it will be very unpredictable. Okay, so with this information I'm going to conclude this video. We will talk again about in detail about information bulletin. Until then, goodbye and take care. Have a good day.